Hello everyone, this is G Wiz, and this is going to be how to make cranberry beer. The instructions are here. You can pause and take a moment in order to read it. Okay, so the first step is going to be to sanitize the pots. Bring the malts to a boil, and this should take about 60 to 90 minutes. And you might want to also put in the hops as soon as it starts boiling, so that it gets in there for at least 60 minutes. Once you have your mixture, you're going to pour it into a container that you feel comfortable pouring into a bottle, or you can use a siphon. The point is you want something that's clear so that you can see the mixture and then siphon it out into the fermentation bottle, or jug as it is called. Then you can add the yeast after that in order to complete the process. For cranberry, it's a bit different because it is a bit sweet as well as it is tart. So that tartness is acid, and that acid makes things a little bit more complicated, hence making this video. So you'll see here from the instructions, there's 4 different types of yeast. I went with Belgian. Probably best for beer when it comes to cranberries, I would say, but to each their own. For every 1 gallon of wort that you produce, you want 4 gallons of water. That gives you a 5-gallon batch of beer. So for cranberry, instead of using 1 cup of sugar, you're going to use 3 tablespoons. Believe it or not, it is sugary, so you don't really need more. If you add too much sugar, it will get very, very fizzy. Instead of buying bottles, you can also buy bottles of soda. That seems to be more cost effective. I hope you enjoyed this little recipe that I made, and happy brewing.